Hello students, hope you are doing well. I am Abhilash, Faculty of Mathematics in Merigiri. We all are in lockdown, but lockdown should not affect your studies. That is why we are coming with a new program called Foundation Program for Science, Commerce and Humanities. Main aim of this foundation program is to keep in touch with your subjects. And we will give a good foundation for your studies in plus 1 and plus 2. So today in this section I will tell you some basic mathematics that are useful for your studies in plus 1 and plus 2. So today's topic is equations. Equation in one variable. What do you mean by an equation? Equation is an expression involving variables, constants and main thing is equality sign. There are different type of equations. In this section we will study about equation in one variable. One variable means there should be only one variable, only one x, only y, etc. Equation in one variable can be linear equation in one variable, quadratic equation in one variable, cubic equation in one variable. So in this section we will concentrate more on cubic equation in one variable, but I will tell you what is linear equation in one variable and quadratic equation in one variable. First one is linear equation in one variable. It is linear. Linear means power of x should be 1. So general form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, this will become a constant. For example, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. You know how to find solution. This one you studied in 8th or 9th. So what is the value of x? X will be equal to minus 5 by 2. We can write answer directly. Very simple question. Quadratic means power of x should be 2. So general form of quadratic equation in one variable is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. You know how to find solution of this quadratic equation. We can find solution by splitting middle term, factorization method, right? By using the formula. One formula is there for finding solution. What is that formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By using this formula, you can find solution of this quadratic equation. There are different cases. If b square minus 4ac more than 0, equation is having two different real roots, right? If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, equation is having two identical real roots. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, no solution or no real solutions. Actually solution is there, but no real solutions. There are solutions that you will study. There are complex solutions, but there is no real solutions. So if b square minus 4ac more than 0, two different solutions, equal to 0, two equal solutions, less than 0 means no real solutions. Okay, so we can do some examples. Let's consider one question. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. We want to find solution of this quadratic equation by factorization method. Better one is factorization. If you are not able to find answer by factorization, go for that formula. So you have to find two numbers, product equal to 1 into 6, product equal to 6 and sum equal to 5. What are the two numbers? Product equal to 6, sum equal to 5. Two numbers are 2 and 3. This plus 2 and plus 3 because product is positive, sum is positive. So two roots are 2 and 3. Since coefficient of x square is 1, we can write factors directly. This one we can write as x plus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 0. right? These two are same. If we expand this one, we get same thing. Now product of two terms equal to 0 means one of them should be 0. Otherwise this expression will be 0 when x equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is one solution, and this expression will be 0 when x equal to minus 3. When x equal to minus 3, this will become 0. 0 into any number is 0. Second solution is x equal to minus 3. If coefficient of x square is 1, we can factorize directly. Okay. Now consider second question. 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. That means we cannot write factors directly. We have to split middle term. You have to find two numbers, product equal to 2 into 5, that is plus 10, and sum equal to minus 7. Two numbers, product equal to plus 10, sum equal to minus 7. What are the two numbers? Two numbers are minus 2, minus 5. Right, minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10, minus 2 plus minus 5, that is minus 7. Now by using these two numbers, we have to split middle terms. So that we can write as 2x square minus 2x minus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. Now you have to find common terms from first two terms. So 2x is common in first two terms. So we can take 2x as common. So it will be, remaining terms will be x minus 1. Now from the last two terms, minus 5 is common. Remaining is x minus 1. Now this one term, this one is second term. X minus 1 is common. So remaining term will be 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Now this expression will be 0 when x equal to 1. So 1 is one root of this quadratic equation. And this expression will be 0 when 2x minus 5 equal to 0. That means x equal to 5 by 2. So two roots are x equal to 1 and x equal to 5 by 2. So you have to note down one thing. If coefficient of x square is 1, you can write factors directly. If coefficient of x square is not equal to 1, you have to find factors by splitting middle terms. If you are not able to find the answer by this method, if you are feeling that this method is difficult, you can go for the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Now we will go for cubic equation in one variable. Its general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, where a, b, c and d are real numbers and a not equal to 0. So an important section, how to solve a cubic equation. Okay. Now consider one question. X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 equal to 0. We want to solve this cubic equation. Method is, first you have to find one solution of this equation by trial and error method. How many roots will be there? There will be 3 roots because this is a cubic equation. If it is a quadratic equation, there will be 2 roots. If it is a linear equation, there will be 1 root. This is cubic equation, so there should be 3 roots. So one root you have to find by trial and error method, and other 2 solutions you have to find by long division method. So how will you find one root? This you have to substitute x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1, etc. When x equal to 1, this will become 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. That is not equal to 0. That means x equal to 1 is not a solution. Now we will go for next one, that is x equal to minus 1. And x equal to minus 1, this will become minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 13 minus 32. 32 to minus 1 minus 32 plus 20 equal to 0. Okay. Now this is equal to 12 minus 12 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 1 is root of this cubic equation. So x plus 1 will be factor. What is the meaning of factor? That means we can divide this cubic equation or cubic polynomial completely with x plus 1. So for example, suppose 6 equal to 2 into 3. 2 and 3 are factor of 6 because we can divide 6 completely with 2 and we can divide 6 completely with 3. Complete means remainder will be 0. So we can divide this expression completely with x plus 1. So one factor is x plus 1. For finding other two factors, we have to go for long division method. So that is, I think you all know what is long division method. So x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. That is called cubic polynomial. We have to divide with x plus 1. Here you have to get x cube. So you have to write x square here. So it will be x cube plus x square. Subtract. So you will get 12 into x square plus 32x plus 20. Now this one you have to make 12x square. So this should be 12x. 12x into x. 12x square plus 12x into 1 will get 12x. Subtract will get 20x plus 20. Right. Now here it should be 20x. So we can write 20 here. So we'll get 20x plus 20. So remainder is 0. That means this is equal to product of these two polynomials. So x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 equal to 0. We can rewrite as x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20 equal to 0. This one is a linear polynomial. This one is quadratic. This one again you can factorize. You have to find two numbers. Product equal to 20. Sum equal to 12. Product 20, sum 12. Two numbers are 2 and 10. Since coefficient of x square is 1, we can write factors directly. So this will be equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 10 equal to 0. Now we can find its root very easily. And this expression will be 0 when x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 is one solution. And second one is x equal to minus 2. And third one is x equal to minus 10. X equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 10 are three roots of this cubic equation. Now I will tell a super simple method for solving this cubic equation. I will take same equation. Just note down the answer. Answers are x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 10. So one root you have to find by trial and error method. So you know that x equal to minus 1 is one root. So x plus 1 is factor. Now I will tell the super simple method. You have to write like this. Then here you have to write root, that is x equal to minus 1. Here you have to write coefficients. Coefficients of x cube, x square, x, etc. So coefficient x cube is 1. Then x square is 13. X is 32. Then constant 20. First you have to write this element as it is. Then you have to multiply diagonally. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. You have to write here. Now these two have to add. So we'll get 12. Then minus 1 into 12, that is minus 12. Adding these two, we'll get 20. Then minus 1 into 20, minus 20. You will get 0 here. Now these three numbers are coefficients of quadratic polynomial. That means one is coefficient of x square. And 12 will be coefficient of x and this one will be constant. So the same answer you are getting here also by long division method. After that you have to go for the same factorization method. That means one factor is x plus 1 and second one will be x square plus 12x plus 20. So we'll get x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20. This one you have to factorize. So same method you have to follow. So x plus 1 into, this will be x plus 2 into x plus 10. So answers are x equal to minus 1, minus 2 and minus 10. Okay. When we do next question, you will understand it clearly. Now we can do another question. X cube minus 7x square plus 14x plus 12 equals 0. First you have to find one root by trial and error method. So substitute x equal to 1 here. And x equal to 1, this will be 1 minus 7 plus 4 plus 12. This is not equal to 0. So take x equal to minus 1. When x equal to minus 1, this will become minus 1 minus 7 minus 4 plus 12. That is minus 12 plus 12 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 is 1 root. So x plus 1 is factor. Okay. Now we won't go for long division method. We will use that super simple method. Okay. Minus 1 here. Here you have to write coefficients. 1, minus 7, 4, 12. This number you have to write as it is. Then you have to multiply diagonally. Minus 1 into 1. That is minus 1. Minus 1 you have to write here. These two you have to add. So you get minus 8. Minus 1 into minus 8 will be plus 8. Adding we get 12. Minus 1 into 12. Minus 12. 0. So these three numbers are coefficients of quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial will be x square minus 8x plus 12. That means x cube minus 7x square plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. We can rewrite as 1 factorize x plus 1. X plus 1 into. Other one is this quadratic polynomial. That is x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. This one again we can factorize. You have to find two numbers, product equal to plus 12, sum equal to minus 8. So two numbers are minus 2 and minus 6. So this will be x plus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So three roots are x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 6. Very simple, isn't it? Now we will do one more question. That is 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. First one we have to find by trial method. So when x equal to 1, this will be 2 plus 3 minus 11 minus 6. This is not equal to 0. So x equal to 1 is not a solution. X equal to minus 1. So we'll get minus 2 plus 3 plus 11 minus 6. Not equal to 0. So minus 1 is not a solution. When x equal to 2, we'll get 2 into 8, that is 16, plus 3 into 4, 12, minus 11 into 2, minus 22, minus 6. This is 28 minus 28 equal to 0. That means x equal to 2 is 1 root. So 1 factor is x minus 2. Now, if you want, you can go for long division method. Otherwise, that shortcut method. We'll write 2 here because 2 is 1 root and coefficients here. That is 2, 3, minus 11, minus 6. This number you have to write as it is. Multiply diagonally. 2 into 2, 4. 7. 2 into 7, that is 14. Then this will be 3. Adding these two. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. That means these are coefficients of quadratic polynomial. and quadratic polynomial will be 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Therefore, we can write 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x plus equal to 0 as x minus 2 into 2x square plus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. This one again we have to factorize. We have to find two numbers, product equal to 6, sum equal to 7. So two numbers are 6 and 1. But coefficient x square is not equal to 1. So you have to split middle term. We cannot write factors directly. So you have to do like this, x minus 2 into 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3, because two numbers are 6 and 1. So x minus 2 into, take common term, that is 2x. Remaining terms will be x plus 3. So you can take 1 as common, remaining x plus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 2 into, from these two terms you can take x plus 3 as common, remaining will be 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So solutions are x equal to 2, x equal to minus 3 and x equal to minus 1 by 2. Right? Dear students, there is one assignment in the assignment section related to this topic that you have to do and submit through the same platform so that I can check your answers. So all the best. Thank you. In the next class, I will come with another topic.